Hello everybody, so today we are gonna look at this issue. So what I was facing is while I was creating a project uh, to push a repo on GitHub. So what it was showing is it says this was rejected, right, on the main fa- phase first. Error failed to push some reference to this, right? So what I was making an error is my main branch is like has more file, and this when I'm my project that I'm doing on a remote one, right? So it has a list project, like it has QR code, readme, and YouTube banner, and in my main repo on GitHub it has index and all that, right? So for this to just solve, it tells me to just do git pull, right? I try to do it, but it tries to say like the use git config pull, the rebase false, so it tells me to merge the file. So what I did was so here simply, so I try to forcefully pull it. So again, fatal error not needed, so it's still that. So what I did was to push forcefully on my origin main branch. Now that should forcefully push the files, and it has been updated. So you can see here force update. So now my this YouTube banner is on the repo. So thank you guys.